Hey, have you ever heard that saying about, no matter what you do, you're gonna get blamed for it, but you don't get credit for it? So here's kind of what we decided to do. No matter what we do, we're gonna get blamed for being bullies or mean or unprofessional. So, why fight it? We might as well just embrace it. So join me next Wednesday at 8 p.m. Eastern, 5 p.m. Pacific. We're gonna go live with what maybe we'll start calling a collision collective. So it's gonna be Mark and Larry and Billy and Derek and Yanni and just everybody that you kind of see in and out of the groups. We're just going to get together a live Zoom call. I can seat about 1,000 people in my Zoom room. So I'll make that link public and just jump in there. You're welcome to ask any questions. In fact, if you want to present something or you want to talk about something, I've even got a form that you can fill out. Tell us what you want to talk about. And we'll put you on the show. Our only requirement is you do have to have a webcam. We kind of want to see who we're talking to, we're talking with, so to speak. And we're going to cover a lot of good things, probably while we're also drinking. So number one, we got a lot of new products coming out, some partnerships. Not only, obviously, we have partnerships with Derek and Yanni, but we're going to have some partnerships, some new things with Mark Olson that we'll talk about. We're going to talk about Aztec. In fact, I would love if somebody from the mobile diagnostic and calibration area of the business would like to, chime in, join us, and talk about all of these events from Geico and how it's going to affect them in the mobile calibration business. We're going to talk about CCC and their ADAS workflow, what those 23 buckets really mean. We're going to go over a 6-figure RTA settlement that recently just happened. Some of the recent total loss drama that's going on as the insurers begin to try to get out of paying fees and storage and as much as they can. We're going to talk about how the Texas Attorney General has filed a suit against General Motors and what that possibly means for body shops. And then to double down on that, how Texas and Florida Attorney General is also specifically generals are specifically going after body shops and some of that. And then I'm going to show you an actual 1994 labor rate survey from State Farm with the results and how that came to us as claim managers. And then we're going to compare that to what the current rates for that specific zip code are in 2024, and then compare that to inflation for everything else in that market from 1994 to present and kind of talk about that. So join us next Wednesday night, 8 p.m. Eastern, 5 p.m. Pacific. We will put the link out for everyone. It's just going to be a Zoom. Jump in and join us. And again, if you think you have something that you want to talk about live, hit that form, submit it prior, and then make sure you have a webcam, and we'll see everybody Wednesday. Thanks.